based on their human activity leads to production of the greenhouse effect. We want to study about what is global warming. The global warming is nothing but increase in mean global temperature, especially highest in 4000 years due to increased concentration of greenhouse gases is called global warming. Simply, global warming is nothing but a warming of globe with the help of carbon dioxide concentration level that can be able to increases. Not only for the carbon dioxide level, the major gases call it as carbon dioxide. Other than carbon dioxide, methane, CFC and other gases also play the role for the global warming. Then one of the reason for this is overpopulation, because due to the overpopulation which creates growing need for food, fiber, fuel and considered to be the major causes of global warming. Yes, of course, due to the overpopulation the need is also high, especially in food, fibers, usage of fuel, etc. that can be able to cause the major cause for the global warming. Here, what are the effects of the global warming? First thing, rise in global temperature which causes sea level to rise as polar ice caps and glaciers begin to melt, causing submerge of many coastal cities in many parts of the world. First effect of the global warming is increasing the sea level. Simply we say increasing the sea level. How the sea level that can be able to increases? In a Arctic region, the polar ice caps melt due to the global warming. Then melting of the polar ice caps, then only the sea level that can be able to increases. The coastal areas that can be able to underlying inside the sea level, especially for example in our area nearer Dhanushkodi area, due to the global warming only the Dhanushkodi area low lying under the sea level. It is the one of the proof for the effect of global warming. Then next one is there will be a drastic change in weather pattern. Yes, bringing more flood or drought in some areas. Yes, of course, drastic change, a sudden change, a high change occur in weather pattern, especially during the rainy season. The climatic conditions, everything that can be able to change nowadays due to the global warming. Not only for that, some of the areas that can be able to suddenly in a flood, especially northern India, the sudden flood that can be able to occur. In some other area, they can be occur in a drought in some areas. These are the present day drawbacks, present day problem for our human survival. Next one is biological diversity may get modified. Some species ranges get redefined. Yes, of course, the entire environmental or a ecosystem that can be able to modified, that is call it as a biological diversity may get modified. Yes, for example animal, the animal survival that can be able to changed. Not only for the animals, even in a plant, even in a small organisms like insect, worm, etc. that can be able to modified, and some of them are everything that can be changed for their survival, that is call it as redefined. Then next one is tropics and subtropics may face the problem of decreased food production. Yes, tropic regions, subtropic regions, due to the effect of global warming, the reduced level of the food production, the food scarcity that can be able to occur. Not only for the problem for global warming, this is the major problem for their human survival. Some other problems that can be able to occur due to the global warming also. What are the sources for the global warming? What are the sources for the greenhouse gases in naturally or in a artificial level we want to study? Here, what are the sources of greenhouse gases that can be able to occur? Sources of greenhouse gases emission, natural and anthropogenic. Anthropogenic is nothing but due to the human activity. Due to the human activity only, the greenhouse gas that can be able to emitted. What are the greenhouse gases that can be able to present? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. We want to study in a detailed manner. First one is call it as carbon dioxide. That is call it as a major greenhouse gas. It is nothing but CO2. Here, the carbon dioxide, how it can be able to evolve from our environment. Coal-based power plants by the burning of fossil fuel for electricity generation. Yes, due to the overpopulation, our need is high. So, with the help of coal, we have to generate the electricity. That is called it as coal-based power plants with the help of burning of fossil fuel, petrol, diesel, then coal. These are also some of the fossil fuel. Here, the coal is a solid fossil fuel. With the help of that, we have to generate the electricity. Next one is combustion of fuel in the engines. That is called it as petrol, diesel. Using of automobiles, especially commercial vehicles, aeroplanes, contribute the most of global warming. Yes, once we want to use the public vehicles, but nowadays in our future generation use the private vehicles, especially two-wheeler, four-wheeler in separate way. That is the combustion of fuel is high. So the global warming also high. Next one is agricultural practices like stubble burning result in emission of carbon dioxide. Stubble is nothing but unwanted plant pots that can be able to present in the agricultural field. For example, paddy straw. That paddy straw, maize straw that can be able to burn in the agricultural field. That also emit the carbon dioxide. Next one is nature from organic matter, volcanoes, warm oceans and sediments. Yes, that natural thing that can be contain a carbon dioxide in organic matter, natural volcanoes, warm oceans and sediments. These are the some of the causes for the carbon dioxide. Next one is call it as methane. The methane is nothing but CH4. The methane is 20 times as effective as carbon dioxide at trapping heat in the atmosphere. But the methane percentage is 20%. Here, the methane is 20 times as effective as carbon dioxide as trapping heat in the atmosphere. Then, its sources are attribute paddy cultivation, cattle rearing, bacteria in water bodies, fossil fuel production, ozone, non-wetland soil and forest wildfire. Yes. Here normally the methane gas that can be able to evolved from the paddy field. Yes, the straw that contain burning means that also emit the methane gas also. Then cattle rearing. Yes, the cow dung, cattle dung, goat dung, pig dung, they contain the methane gas. With the help of the cattle dung, we have to do the cobar gas, that is methane gas for their survival. Then bacteria in water bodies that can be able to emit the methane. Then fossil fuel production also that can be able to cause the methane. Then ozone and non-wetland soils and forest and wildfire, all the one they can have the capacity to emit the methane only. Then only methane is also a one of the part for the global warming effect.